Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I made these delicious brownies. These Fudgy and Chewy brownies are perfect for any chocolate lover and they're surprisingly easy to make. For these brownies you will need white sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, dark chocolate, all-purpose flour, margarine, salt, vanilla powder or extracts, and eggs. The exact measurements will be in the description box down below. We will start by melting the chocolate. Put a pan with water over a medium fire. Put a glass or metal bowl on the pan with water. But make sure that your bowl doesn't touch the water directly. There needs to be some space between the water and your bowl. Put the chocolate in the bowl, and when it has melted a bit, add the margarine or butter. So here I'm stirring to help break down the chocolate and butter. When it's melted, remove it from the heat, but be careful because the bowl will be really hot. After removing it, I let it cool down for about 5 minutes. So now we'll be adding the rest of the ingredients. Start by adding the salt and vanilla to the chocolate. Then add the sugar. I'm adding it bit by bit because it makes it easier to mix. Here I'm adding the eggs one by one. Make sure that it is well incorporated with the chocolate mix. Now I'm switching over to a wooden spoon because the batter is getting thick. Add the cocoa powder. As you can see, you can't make the same mixing motion that we did before because the batter has gotten really thick and luscious. So here I'm basically folding in the cocoa powder into the batter. So when everything has been mixed in properly, add the flour. We will also be folding that into the batter. When everything has been mixed and there are no lumps in the batter, line your brownie pan with parchment paper and add the batter. Bake it in a preheated oven on a temperature of 175 Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. When you're done, it will look like this, and then you'll only need to cut it. And there you have your super chewy, fudgy, delicious, and easy to make brownie. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the description box what your favorite baked good is. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like it and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.